Lippies! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela Villanueva. And for today's video, ay excited ako mga besh dahil isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga essential things or goods that I usually bring with me every time may lakad ako or pumapasok ako sa work. So we're gonna have this what's inside my everyday bag vlog. So if you're interested to know kung ano yung mga usually ginagamit at dinadala ko, just keep on watching. Bang! So mga besh, yung everyday bag na ginagamit ko as of the moment is my Celine bag. So nakita niyo na ito sa previous vlog ko mga besh. So at isa sa mga sinabi ko doon na favorite feature ko o yung hinahanap ko na feature or quality ng isang bag is may outside pocket. Ito siya. Kasi nga mahilig ako maglagay ng mga items sa outside, yung mga easy access ko, yung madali ko lang ma-pull out from my bag, hindi ko na kailangan buksan yung main zipper ng bag ko. So in my outside bag, we have here, first and foremost is my mirror. So this is a very cute one. At 28 pesos ko lang siya nabili mga bag. And as you can see, meron siyang initial, which is yung letter J na letter dyan. Guys, disclaimer lang, nabili ko to, hindi ko pa boyfriend yung boyfriend ko ngayon. It just happened na, nung binili ko to with my friend, ito lang yung only letter available. So yun. But again, maybe it's destiny. Destiny! So in here, we have here two kinds of mirror. Yung first one is yung parang nagmag-magnify siya. Yung lumalaki yung mukha mo, parang ganun. Correct me if I'm wrong with the term, basta ganun. Then the other one, yung normal size lang na mirror. Yan. So I have this very cute one. Yan. Very glam, ganun. At alam niyo naman, mahilig ako sa mga glam-glams, mga sparkles, something like that. So the other one is my pen. So I always bring my own pen inside my bag kasi nga, sa panahon ngayon, we have this filling up of contact tracing form. So, every time na pumapasok tayo sa mga establishments, sa mga malls, so, it is a must that you have your own pen kasi nga para makaiwas tayo sa mga virus transmission or whatsoever. So, I have my own pen in my bag na nilalagay ko sa labas para mas madali siyang malocate or mas madali siyang mahanap. Then, I have my keys. So, I have a very cute keychain. So, this one was given to me by my very good friend, Diane. So, last 2 years niya yata na ito nabigay. And it's so cute kasi nga Hello Kitty to. And I don't mind if it's so kind of messy now or dirty or whatsoever yun. Then, ito yung mga keys ko. Then, next one is my hair ties. Yun. Medyo marami yung hair ties ko inside my bag kasi nga madali ko siyang mawala and I don't know why. Pero parang ganun. Kaya I see to it that I have a lot of hair ties inside my bag. Kasi nga mahilig ako mag-ponytail, then just gonna put a ribbon on it. Parang ganun. Kasi hindi ako mahilig magsuklay ng buhok. I'm so sorry with it. Then, let's start opening my main bag. My main bag? So, whatever. So, I have here a lot of mints. So, ito yung first one, yung TikTok. Kasi nga, just to freshen up my hininga, parang ganon. Kasi there are times na medyo napapanis yung laway mo and everything. So, just a quick freshen up. Then, I have this Pastillas Valda. It soothes and cools the throat. So, ito siya. This one is very effective, especially if meron tayong parang yung medyo makati yung lalamunan natin. So, this is a must try. So, matagal ko na itong ginagamit actually mga besh. Parang high school pa lang ginagamit ko na ito. And this is very effective. This one is, I guess, 57 or 58 pesos. Very cheap. Then, the next one is my Kika kit. Here! This is so cute. This is a ziplock kind of Kika kit. Kasi nga, mas hygienic siya. At mas madali mo siyang i-sanitize if, plastic. Parang ganito. So, here in my Kika kit, I have a lot of things na naka-organize. And, you will see na medyo milig ako sa mga maliliit na mga bagay kasi nga, yung bag na ginagamit ko, medyo mabigat na. So, if I'll bring something so heavy and bulky, medyo magiging space-consuming siya at magsasuffer yung shoulder ko. So, it is a no-no. So, first and foremost, merong maliit nito, pero kasi nga, ito yung pinaka-mabilis maubos sa akin. So, ito siya. This one is my Johnson's Baby Powder, yung original lang. I have these two. My mini wipes, the Sanicare mini wipes, and the Watson's soft tissue. Ito siya. Actually, hindi ko naman kailangan magdala yung mga malaki or yung mga bulky na mga wipes at tissue kasi nga hindi naman ako mabilis makaubos ng ganito. So, I have these two very cute ones. Then, I have also this one, Johnson's Baby Lotion. Ito siya. Ang mild lang ng scent niya at at the same time, nakaka-moisturize kasi siya. Kasi nga, nasa time kasi tayo wherein mahilig tayo gumamit ng alcohol. So, tendency, mawawala yung moisture ng skin natin. So, it is a must na gumamit tayo ng lotion as our moisturizer. So, mabango rin yan mga besh. I have here, next one is, I have here two Lippies. So, the first one is my lip tint. So, ito siya, Ashley Shine. And this one, the Pop Hits Matte Lipstick. So, napakaganda ng shade na to mga besh. Actually, nabili ko to from the Popstar Royalty Collection. What? Popstar Royalty Collection? Kay Miss Sarah G kasi to. Ang napaka-cute ng shade. Very, very natural lang. Kinda MLBB for me. Parang ganun. And it also has a lip balm underneath. Kasi hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. Kasi nga, hindi ako mahilig sa lip balm mga besh. Promise. So, it is in the shade number 7. Wala kasi siyang name. So, parang number 7 yun. Then, I also have Vitres. Para yung mga instant fix lang ng hair. Yung if ever freezing yung hair ko. So, yun. I'm just gonna put some Vitres on. Then, I also have here yung refill ng cologne na ginagamit ko. So, as I've said, mahilig ako sa maliliit. So, ayokong dalhin yung buong cologne ko. So, instead, nalagay ko siya sa refillable dito na spray. This is a Johnson's Baby Cologne in slide. Slide data yung ano nito, yung scent nito, yung name ng scent. And it is very mild at the same time, very friendly sa ilong ko na sensitive. Then, I have this. This one is a cute find, at the same time, very useful and effective. I also used this before na. This is the Purific. I got this from Watson's for 55 pesos. And what you're gonna do is, before you do your thing, before that call of nature thingy, spray mo to ng 3 to 5 times. Toilet bowl, then you're gonna water it, then you can already poof, something like that. Right after, hindi siya ganun ka, you know, mabaho or whatever. Basta ganun. It's magic. Charot! Then, I also have this eyebrow liner from Vice Cosmetics. Gandal Micro Brow. This is in natural brown. Actually, guys, hindi ko to nagagamit. Parang backup ko lang siya because there was a time na hindi ko pa ginagamit yung brow ko ngayon, wherein waterproof, na nabura yung tail ng kilay ko mga besh. And that time is kilay is life. So, I was so frenetic. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko at that moment. To the extent na ginamit ko yung Mongol na pencil mga besh. As in, yung legit na pencil na ginagamit sa paper. Yun yung ginamit ko. And, sad to say, hindi siya gumana. Hindi siya naging solusyon sa problem ko that time. So, simula nun, I always see to it that I bring something such as like this. Kahit na hindi talaga ito yung usual na ginagamit ko. Para backup lang in case magkaroon tayo ng SOS or emergency. Because kilay is life. That's true.
Yeah!
Next is I have here my feminine wipes. Actually, wala siyang mini version nito. But okay lang kasi na-slim siya. So, yun. Very okay rin siya na dalhin. Then, I have here my napkin. Kasi nga, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka dadatnan at some point. So, kailangan laging handa mga besh. Then, I have this. Bago ko lang to siya nakita. This is a Pretty Secret fashion tip. Yes. So, in case meron tayong wardrobe malfunction, yan. Parang in case of emergencies lang to. So, yun lang. Wala lang. Trip ko lang. At saka color pink kasi siya. Kaya binili ko. Ano lang, mababaw besh. Then, I have this very cute twilly. Yan. I got this from Shopee for, I guess, 15 or 10 pesos. Parang ganun. Ito kasi yung ginagawa ko. I'm just gonna tie my hair or gonna make some bun. Then, i-ribbon ko siya na ganito. Parang maging fashionable or to give some color or add some arte lang. Arte lang talaga. Yun lang. Maarte tayo eh. So, yun. Yun yung laman ng kikay fit ko inside my everyday bag. So, yun na siya. In here. Then, I have this. Tadaan! So, ito yung lalagyan ng mask ko. So, I prefer a flat one. Yan. Ito yung mask, yung color pink. But actually, before ko ito nakita, ito yung lagi kong dinadala sa office or ito sa bag ko. But, as I've said, ayaw ko ng bulky at space-consuming inside my bag. So, yan ang dinadala ko. I always bring with me extra masks. Kasi nga, you never know, baka masira yung mask mo or mawala yung mask mo, parang ganun. So, I always bring extra mask with me. Yun yun. At saka, sa panahon ngayon, somewhat, it is part of our life talaga. Every time nalalabas tayo, kailangan mag-mask tayo at face shield. So, hindi ako naglagay ng face shield dito kasi nga usually sinusuot ko na yun. Yun kasi extra mask. Then, I have here my fine press. Yan. As you can see, this one is transparent also. And plastic rin siya kasi nga mas madali daw na linisan or sanitize yung mga plastic. So, I don't bring a lot of coins with me kasi nga medyo mabigat na yung bag ko. So, if magdadala pa ako ng mabibigat na coins, so ano na lang mangyayari sa shoulders ko mga besh. So, ganun. Meron akong coin purse dito na transparent. Then, I also have another pouch here. Yan, ziplock rin siya. So, ito na yung mga tita thingy ko. Kasi nga, hindi na tayo bata at some point. So, first and foremost, I have here the Lola Remedios. Ito kasi, yun sabi ko, every time na meron ako or inuubo ako, naghahanap ako ng mga items or yung makaka-relief agad-agad ng ubo ko. So, I have here Lola Remedios. Then, I have here my Perfect Smile. These are gargle sticks, mga besh. So, I choose this kasi nga hindi siya bulky. I'm just gonna open it, then gargle. Ganun lang kasimple, then throw it away. So, the next one are my band-aids. Yan. Yung mga konting scratches, or para pang-close lang ng mga simple wounds, or mga ganun. Then, dahil tita na nga tayo mga besh, I have also here white flower and the tiger balm. Yung white flower, binigay ito ng boyfriend ko sa akin. Every time, kasi daw effective to pag meron tayong dizziness or sumasakit yung ulo natin or meron konting sipon. Parang nawawala kasi yung blockage sa nose niyo. Parang, at effective siya, I must say. Very effective. Kahit parang titang-tita ka every time gumagamit ka nito. So, thank you, love. Charot. Lambe. Charot. Then, I also have this tiger balm. Ito, very effective rin siya pag sumasakit yung chan ko or I have mga brains ba yun? Basta meron, hindi pala brains. Every time meron ako mga mosquito bites or mga insect bites, parang ganun. Then, I also have Biogesic. Yan. Ingat! Parang ganun. Kasi nga, nasa praning ako na stage where every time mababasa lang ko ng ulan or sumasakit yung ulo ko, umiinom talaga ako agad ng gamot kasi ayaw kong magkasakit, mga bash. Bawal magkasakit sa panahon ngayon. Then, this one. This is my vitamins na pang backup. Kasi nga, yung vitamins ko is yung Centrum Complete. Pag nakakalimutan ko siyang i-take sa morning, so at least meron akong dalang vitamins para, kumbaga, makompensate lang muna yung pagkakalimot ko sa vitamins ko. So, it is a must na meron talaga akong backup na vitamin C. So, to boost our immune system. Parang ganun. So, it is that. Very cute. This one is Love. Charot. Then, I also have my cute ponytail. Sabi ko sa inyo, basta color pink and very cute. Gusto ko yun. Kasi nga, yun ako eh. Yeah. Hindi ko i-deny talaga na ma-arte ako, na medyo immature ako, childish, whatever. Parang ganun. Sorry lang. So, I also have my alcohol. So, as you can see, nakaseparate siya sa kikay kit ko. Kasi nga, para easy pull out siya. Actually, nababanguhan ako sa isopropyl alcohol ng Biogenic. So, kinemaster, charot. So, this one is very okay rin. Mas okay siya compared sa other alcohol kasi ito, nakaka-moisturize siya at some point ng hands natin. Then, I also have here my AirPods. This one. Yon. Wala lang if ever gusto kong or feel ko makinig ng music or something like that. Then, I have here my Paganini collection na comb. The very simple lang. At the same time, very, matibay siya, sturdy siya mga besh. At meron siyang hint ng color pink. So, gusto ko siya. Gusto ko kasi yung mga simple lang, pero may pink. Parang ganun. Arte lang. Then, I have here my cute notebook. Hindi siya ganun ka, space consuming as you can see. And gusto ko siya kasi super cute niya, mga besh, promise. Then, I have my wallet. I have this very cute wallet of mine. I got this from Shopee for, I guess, less than 200. Yan. Then, I have inside, meron tayong mga cards, yung mga rewards cards, loyalty cards. I have my cash. Then, I have his picture, charot. In love ka, girl. Then, inside, I always bring with me this cute gift from our super pretty na Cupid kay Mommy Jen. So, hi Mommy Jen! Thank you so much for this. This one came from Cebu. So, she had given us this. So, nag-iisa kami ng boyfriend ko. So, consider this as a lucky charm. Parang ganun. And, very nice. It has a powerful prayer within. So, feeling ko blessed ako. So, thank you so much Mommy Jen for this. I also have here yung act of contrition kasi nga gusto ko mag-confess. So, dahil hindi ko talaga ma-memorize yung act of contrition. So, instead, pinrint ko siya in here. Then, if you will notice, dalawa siya. Kasi nga yung isa, ibibigay ko sa boyfriend ko kasi nga we're planning to confess. Soon, charot! We're planning to make a confession. It's just that hindi na natuloy. Kaya ganun. Nandyan lang siya in case of we suddenly wanted to confess or make a confession sa simbahan. Then, ano pa ba? Nothing so interesting inside my wallet. Ganun lang yun. Ito siya. Then, let's see. Ano pa ba nandito? Oh! Yes. I also have here my index cards. Yan ito. Mga papers. I have extra papers inside my bag kasi nga aside sa milik ako magsulat-sulat, minsan yung mga reminders ko, parang ganun. Para in case I need to give some paper, something like that, ganun. Meron akong pwede kong ipamigay. Parang ganun yun mga besh. Ayoko kasing nag-scratch in here, then yun yung bibigay ko. Ayoko nun. Ayoko madamage yung notebook ko, kahit mura lang yan. Then, I also have here bunch of pens. Yan. Ato. Okay, I must say, addict ako sa mga pens. So, sorry naman. So, I have here Fine Tech, Faber-Castell, M-Tech, or these are gel pens actually. So, I love pens. Yun lang yun. So, we're down to our last two items. So, this is my charger cord. So, as you can see, wala yung adapter kasi yung adapter yung ginagamit ko ngayon para sa ring light ko. So, ito yung adapter ko for my charger. I always bring with me my charger. And, of course, yung cellphone ko nandun. Ginagamit ko actually ngayon. So, always ko rin yung ginagamit. And the last one is the first thing na binigay sa akin ng boyfriend ko. Actually, had given this to me right after ko siyang sinagot. Or before kaya. Basta that day, during that day. Kasi nga pumunta kami sa feast ni Nuestra Señora de Candelaria, yun sa Haro, Iloilo, yun yun. Punta kami sa Haro Cathedral, so doon ko siya sinagot. Nag-chismis pa, charot. Basta, yun yun. So, he had given me this very cute, yet very meaningful rosary beads, mga besh. Color pink yung akin, yung sa kanya is color green. So, I always bring this with me, kasi nga minsan pag nag-travel ako, ay nag-render ako ng rosary prayer yun. So, yun. Nilagay ko siya here sa very cute na container na ito. I always bring this with me. So, yun yan. And that's it mga bash. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin for today. And if you like this video, please click that like button. At if hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, I would appreciate if you will subscribe to my channel. And also, you can click that ring bell button to keep you notified if meron tayong bagong videos mga bash. So without further ado, I'm gonna end this video. Bye-bye!
君の虜になってしまえばきっと